On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. But a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter gang. What is going on, everybody? Hopefully you've had a beautiful FOMC day without me. You are all rich. You're not supposed to be here. You're supposed to be, I don't know, buying a yacht. I don't think I would go and buy a yacht. Like if I was, I don't know where this is going, but if I was like a multi-millionaire and billionaire, I would not be buying a yacht. Ocean scares the shit out of me. I'd be buying land and cattle or something, you know? I'd be that guy. We are land animals. Do I have fins? Do I look like I drink milk from a saucer? Let's get in here. What is going on, everybody? Meow. Do you know how fast you're going, meow? Meow. What's going on, Chantel? Good to see you, my Canadian friend. Ada Aces, Shunts, David Brambalo, my man. George, Bearded Mac, what's going on? Roscoe, Jesse Hollock. Watch out. Mobs are great. How you doing, man? Good to see you. Alexandra G in the chat. Alexandra G. The top dog. Don't mess with her. She's got the band hammer. Stefan. I take one day off and I got like extra juice, you know? The coffee's. Here's a slurp for all you slurpers. Oh, man. ASMR, AlexOCrypto. We could do like an ASMR branch channel. Shrian, Jonathan. How you doing, man? Phil33, good to see you. Isaac, Army Piper, my man. How you doing, Piper? How are you doing in these volatile times? FOMC, what is your 30-second FOMC update? You got to tell me. Maybe you can even record it and send it as a Discord message, and then I'll play it for everyone. He's going to be like, first the data. I can't do an American Texas accent. The data. I love you, bro. Marion, good to see you. Milan, how you doing? Aaron, good morning. Gang. Rotation down. Looking for the SFP on Solana. We told everybody to sell here last night. We gave a big juicy box and a squiggly like this. We said everybody sell. So those who were in the Discord knew. We also said to long in here on this pump off the FOMC. This one here. Whee! And down we came. Okay, down we came. How do you guys like Mr. I've watched enough FOMC videos to be sick of this Warsh guy. First of all, I don't like his name. It's not Warsh. What's his name? It's not easy for me. Not a lot of things are. You guys, what's going on, Jim? MR, good to see you. Good morning, gang. Good morning, Andy, Jesse. How you doing? Chantel's always here. Mooring, what's going on, Stuart? How you doing, bro? Good to see you, Bearded Mac with the splooshy emojis. Let's go, baby. And get some big old water emojis. Water emojis flying in the chat. Maybe we can pump this channel up a little bit. Wagyu, short cows, and short ranchers. I mean, beef is so expensive now. I am looking to buy half a cow. I'm in the market for half a cow. If anyone is Canadian and wants to sell me half a cow, I'm in the market. Nero, what's going on? Good morning, family. How's everyone doing? Got great shorts from yesterday's FOMC. Was my first one, though. Good job, man. No, I love seeing you guys win, man. I love the good news. You can come in here and say you're winning. You can come in here and say you're losing. At the end of the day, we're here to work together. Trading is hard, but, you know, together we can. Together we can. What's going on, Golden Child? Good to see you. Crypto Jim. MRPG, good to see you guys. Marius, how you doing? Fred, good morning. God bless. Hopefully you're all doing well. Sniper Paul, how you doing? Philly Skills, Wagwan, my youth. My man, how you doing, bro? Good to see you. Constantine, good morning. Cubanadian, how you doing, man? You've been scalping like a beast lately, man. Great work in the Discord, man. JR Prince, we sent the gang to you this morning, JR Prince, to kind of give your channel a little bean flick, you know? Ross from the UK. Let's go. Good eye, mate. That's Australian. You go, you all right? You all right? That's UK. You all right? Yeah, you. You all right? When I lived in the UK for 2 years, it took me so long. People come up to you. You all right? I'm like, what the fuck's wrong with you, man? I'm fine. You all right? Yeah? Yeah, I'm all right. What? Yeah, anyways. It took me a while to get used to that. My missus is British, so I'm all right today. All right? I'm all right. Jimbo, too much moisture. How are you and Taco doing, Jimbo? Hopefully the channel's doing well over there. God bless you guys. I miss you guys already. I always miss Jimbo. He's the man. Hopefully you're doing well. Hopefully the business is doing well. God bless you, man. We have much different future now. He is not going to forecast, which will make a lot of uncertainty. His task force will create confusion. He will be able to blame conflicting opinions. That's pretty good. Didn't he say he's going to look at different data sets for inflation? So I think that's bullish, man. I think he's going to look at something to justify cutting. I think that's I don't know. I think he's gonna be pulling some strings here. A little puppeteer. Getting some data, you know. Daddy wasn't there. Data wasn't there to take me to the fair. To change my underwear. To see my first pubic hair. Oops. Went too far. That's why you guys come here as well, anyways. Who says that on YouTube? Jeez, AlexOCrypto. SFP on Solana trying to push here. You guys come here to have a giggle, man. Let's be honest. We click buttons and we talk a lot of shit. And no one does better. No one does better. We also have a $3,000 giveaway today, baby. Let's go. Shout out to Bitunix. For all of you namby-pambies trading on WeX with those scam wicks, join Bitunix. Use the link down below. Okay, that's my best commercial voice I got. Pinned in the comments, sign up with the link, get raffle tickets. $3,000 giveaway today, $2,000 giveaway tomorrow. Use the link pinned in the comments, support the channel. God bless you. Thank you. All right. Oh, man. That was too much fun. No, we get hikes before we get cuts. He even said we would not be in the 2% target until 2028. Oh, man. All good. Just got home from 2 weeks at Disney and recovering. Okay, so are there like tranny princesses that walk around with kids now? That's the only thing I'm worried about taking my kid. Like, is there like, it's like Jazzman instead of Jasmine, you know? Like you have Jazzman as your tour guide at Disney. Jimbo, do you get Jazzman? Like all of a sudden Jasmine actually has a beard? That's the only thing I'm worried about going to Disneyland for. Put a 1 in the chat if that's what you think. I'm scared. Like, that's my biggest fear, bringing my my son to Disneyland, and all of a sudden, Cinderella's got an Adam's apple. Oh, shit. We are so getting canceled today. I should not take a day off, man. Haven't seen anything as such. Saw some trannies, though. And it wasn't even, okay. I'm just worried about that, man. Anyways, too far already, man. We've gone way too far off the deep end, and we're not even 13 minutes into the stream yet. Oh, we must be good at clicking buttons, considering there's still 150 people here. Oh shit! I like the sweep on Solana. Solana could have came lower, but, you know, I like the little sweep of this low here. Push back. Maybe up to VWAP right now. FOMC. So I went over FOMC with the Discord when I got home yesterday from moving. Happy moving day, Alex. I didn't see enough, like, how was moving? How was your moving day? How did it go? Did it go smoothly? I had plumbers, electricians, drain people all throughout the house. You guys didn't even ask me how it went. But I asked you how you doing this morning, you know? I thought you cared. So you have bullish catalyst here. What was that? That was retail sales, right? Retail sales. I like the way Piper says it. Retail. It's very quick. Bullish catalyst, retail sales, bullish divergence, higher high, higher low, break of structure. You're looking for longs on market open yesterday. You should have been looking for longs on market open yesterday. Okay, if you didn't, you effed up. Okay, then you swept the liquidity of the high and you are in a higher term time frame downtrend. Here's your sweep. Here's your mitigation. Here's your FOMC dump. Okay, but you got to pump initially into FOMC data. Okay. Flat interest rates. We all knew that, but you got to pump into it to a dump. So you're looking for longs here. You should have been long here. If you missed that long, sucks to be you. You get a liquidity sweep into imbalance here. You get a rejection out of there, and then you break down all after he finishes talking. The market didn't like what he had to say. So you should have been short after the fact, okay? In review, it's always easy in hindsight. But how do we trade it when there's nothing over here, right? Where's the beautiful crystal ball of where we're going? Okay, you need to be able to forecast. So if this then that, then last night I gave the sell wall up here for the Discord. So I said, you know, we were either coming down here to sweep and bounce, or we were looking for this rejection down. Okay, and we got that rejection down. So overnight, you guys should have all been short in the Discord, taking that short sell wall. It says sell. It's very obvious. Okay, the Discord continues to print. We had updates all day long. Okay, it's not like, you know, I didn't show up for them yesterday. We had the updates. We have the FOMC. We covered the FOMC. We are still swing short. I've closed 50% of the head short. Okay, you had the sell wall. You had the key levels. You also had the sell walls coming into last night. Big sell wall. Okay, with the setup and the drawing. We also did a $2,000 giveaway in our beautiful Discord. Discord members get that exclusively. Okay, we have a new video about trading a plan. That's there for you guys as well. And then we have come into this today with our updated charts. Okay, so we are prepared traders. We are profitable traders. We manage our risk well, and hopefully we can help you guys do the same. Okay, so what are we looking for now on Bitcoin? Well, we have a couple of options. We'll be ready for that. The coffee is full, so we're not going coffee long yet. quite choppy. Now, NASDAQ's going to tell a better story because it's a bigger market. So what do we have? We have a massive sell-off into a massive pump, guys, okay? Which, in my opinion, is telling me that, yes, they got scared yesterday. This guy is new. He's fresh. He's going to rug the market. AI does not give two shits about what this guy's got to say. They're building it out. They're spending the money, okay? You look at MU. Pre-market. What is MU doing pre-market? Micron Technologies. It is up 5%. Marvel. Pre-market. It is up 6%. AMD. It is up 3%. Okay. Labs. Ass Labs. It is up 3%. Pre-market. So we have to go to SanDisk. Where's SanDisk? I don't even know what the ticker is. There it is. It is up 3%. Look at this damn chart, guys. Do I need to go out and zoom out for you guys? Look at this thing. This is retarded. Okay. 4,000%. Damn, Daniel. Why didn't we just buy SanDisk and not Bitcoin? You know? Because we are all idiots. Okay, the market does not give two smacks about what we want or what we think should happen. Okay, it is still building out, and it's overbuilding AI, and we know that. But if this, then that, right? If this, then that. Look at this crazy chart. Don't even let me get into it. Okay, so overall, yes, we rugged yesterday. Okay, with the big pump up, dump, pump, dump. Okay, and then the actual move is up. Okay, you can see that overnight London into this morning. So what am I expecting? A little bit of follow through maybe for Bitcoin. We have a sweep of the lows here on NASDAQ. We have left imbalance down below, but guess what? This was a gap that was filled from last week, which is nice. That's been filled, okay? So now, yes, we have imbalance down below here, but we are looking to push. Can Bitcoin find a low, right? Building the narrative, building the idea. What's the bias? Where are we going? How are we going to get there, right? That's our job. What do we have here, guys? Okay, we can all agree that we have multiple counts of bullish divergence up at a key trend line. All right. So can we get going? What allows us to kind of justify get going? I would like to see a break and retest and continuation up, or a break and a retest and a continuation up, or a sweep of the lows and a continuation up. Okay, that's how we get long, like Donkey Kong, into where? Imbalance, right here, target. Okay, big ass target. This is where we're looking to go, right there. Boo! Very simple. If this, then that, right? How we get there? Price action, volume, liquidity, structure. Put it all together, you get a beautiful, beautiful strategy implemented by us, and hopefully we can all get there together and make lots of money, because that's always the goal, right? I did not take any trades yesterday. I closed partial positions and rotated some money into my account. Okay, Bitcoin here, sitting pretty. We're up $40,000, okay? Beautiful, beautiful. Considering I'm not working this week, you know, we're up quite nice this week. So we're up another $5,000 right now. So slow and steady, considering I didn't trade FOMC, and it's the first FOMC I haven't traded in yonks, man. Lots of volatility. Hopefully none of y'all get wrecked. Hopefully you didn't, but what do you guys think? What did you guys do? You guys were all winning. 40% of you winning yesterday. Good job. Awesome. Awesome. Good job. Randy, how many followers do you have now? Have you hit 26,000 yet? AI bubble pop's going to be crazy. Yeah, I agree. Wrecked, break even. I mean, it's always a tough trading adventure, FOMC, because it gets you on all sorts of emotional roller coasters. I told JR SFP of Solana, he should be long. I told him SFP of Solana, he should be long on his stream. I told him the SFP was there. I just wasn't trading at that moment to take it. 71 left. You'll get there, girl. You got it. You got it. Good to see you. I haven't entered for a long. Okay, Sam, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Brumbolo, how you doing, bro? Good to see you. Sulio. Solio made 1K this week trading. Let's go, man. That's awesome. That's incredible. Cinderella became Cinderfella. Cinderfella. I like that one. I thought Jazzman was pretty creative. That was off the top. Oh, good to see you. All good. Recovering. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. 220 people here on the live stream. Do you guys like the new AI thumbnails? I'm so about not being creative anymore. I just want to just tell AI to do what I want. Sorry, my son was crying. I muted the microphone. Your bro, what's going on, man? How you been? Look at the otter tag. He still got the otter tag. How you been? Long time, bro. God bless you. Hopefully you're doing well. Hopefully you're doing well. Can we get a like for this amazing fella? Notorious. God bless you, man. Thank you for being here, man. How are we, bro? I'm doing okay. Yesterday was moving day, so you guys know moving is moving, right? Moving is not easy. My friends who shows up on moving day showed up. I was there for 8. I told them to be there for 8. I was there for 7:30, and they showed up at 9:30, guys. I was pretty much unpacked before then, so a little bit of a resentment now. Let's put it that way. My friends, neighbors, didn't all the boxes were in the damn garage before they even showed up. So you know, those who show up on moving day, very, very interesting to say the least. Oh man, forgiveness is in my heart. We should have just asked the gang to show up. The gang always shows up. But I don't forget. We'll just put it that way. David, let's go, man. What's going on, man? Wayne C. What kind of sandwiches has the wife been making you this week? Hopefully better than some tuna. Tuna. My love for life has diminished. I must purchase a car next week. Come on, Wick 589. You got a beautiful wife here, wifey. And you are the dual income, no kids of the channel. And we love you guys. So hopefully you guys are doing well. God bless the Wicks. Thank you for being here. Good morning, Sens. Good to see you, bro. Proof of work, good morning. D. Oz, good morning. Good to see you. Thank you for being here. My view on Huss, don't touch it. Last year, my bestie was moving. 4 of us moved their whole apartment in one day. That's sick. See, that's it, man. You show up for moving day, man. That's it. I loaded the U-Haul with my wife and my son, and then on the other side, the next day, they showed up late, man. They showed up late. Yeah, that's it. The wife is away for a few days. Fending for myself chicken mayo today. Let's go, Wayne. Wayne's doing it. He's having crisp sandwiches. Put a 1 in the chat if you've had a crisp sandwich. I did not have a crisp sandwich until I met my wife. You take 2 slaps of Wonder Bread and you put some, I don't know, like some Doritos, or you can go with some like salt and vinegar Miss Vicky's. That's a good one. A crisp sandwich. That's poverty. That's poverty, but it's still good, man. If you're on the go and you need to have a Sammy, that's the one, man. That's the one. Nice push here. NASDAQ pushing as well. Why didn't I take that SFP on Solana? Nambe Pambe. Hopefully everybody's doing well today. Thank you for being here. Hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi, schemers. Yeah. I miss Gary Gensler. Prices were better with Gary. Cheese onion is nice. Woohoo! Sounds like it'd go well with ketchup packet soup. Oh my god. Yeah. No tomatoes involved, Golden Child. There's no tomatoes involved in that. It's like cheap wine. It's like that box wine. If you buy wine, it's no grapes involved. Boxed wine, you know? There was never a grape involved in that box wine. Good morning. Confession time. Still new at this. Really having trouble planning in advance. Still letting emotions drive me. I keep trying to catch moves while working. Okay, so do what I do. I don't have my exchanges on my phone. I do not trade on my phone. Get off your phone. No, it's not where you should be executing and risking money and doing analysis, in my opinion. You can trade on your phone if you're like a swing trader. That's cool. If you're like stop loss is longer than your arm, right? And you're risking 1%, swing trade, whatever. But you should not be intraday scalping or intraday trading on your phone, in my opinion. That's just my opinion. You do whatever you want. I literally do not. I used to do it. I used to go to work, set out to work. I used to go in there and I'd be in like a scalp trade, and I'd be trying to do like I'd be framing and trying to manage risk at the same time. It means don't fall off the house, and then make sure you're using good risk management. Into VWAP here. Pullbacks are for longing here. Little order block tap, potentially continuation up here. Looking for this. Overextended for Solana, trying to push up into VWAP as well. Nasdaq continuing to rip here. Looking for higher high, higher lows. We have that internally. Would like to take this high up top here. Trying to push. Still no trade, guys. Thank you for being here, and hopefully you all had a beautiful FOMC day. I tried sugar butties when I was a kid. Not good. Oh, yeah. A chip buddy is good. They don't know what a buddy is, though, Wayne. They're thinking you're talking about an ass right now. Everybody here in this chat thinks you're talking about a sugar ass. A butty is like a piece of bread. You get it from the chippy shop, right? Fish and chips, guys. And you normally put chips. It's called a chip buddy. It's like a high school meal for British people. They go to the chip shop. They get a chip buddy. It's a sandwich. It's good. But they think you're talking about a sugar ass or something like that. I guarantee you, because I didn't know what a chip butty was. A chip butty, and you can't pronounce the T because they drank it all, mate. All right? There's my British joke of the day, okay? Oh, man. It is delicious, man. It is. Oh, fuck. You guys get me going today. Sugar. Everybody's drinking sugar. Everybody's going to the store. You got some sugar ass for me, mate? You got some sugar ass. They told me to have a chip ass. It's called a butty? Yeah. Oh. They did drink all the tea. Yeah, I'm glad some of you guys caught the tea joke. I'm glad some of y'all caught it. Okay, little push here. Let's go, soy boy Lana. Through VWAP. Aggressive move through VWAP's typically bullish. Sweep of the highs right now. Potential short. Solana still got legs here. My God. Already up 1% this morning. Trying to push. NASDAQ climbing as well. SPY, we're looking for that beautiful gap fill. Look at that yesterday. Gap has been filled. ES is up, which means we're gapping higher. Yeah, that's good. That's a good sign for strength here coming into SPY this morning. So we are looking for the gap up into market open. That should be yummy. We'll see if we go... Chip Barms was the rage as a kid. Yeah, let's just not talk about Marmite, okay? We're not going to go down the Marmite area. Sausage butty for breakfast too. Yeah, sausage. Could I get some sausage and ass, please? Could I get some sausage and ass for breakfast? That's what Americans are thinking right now, and Canadians. Check Rave coin. We don't typically look at altcoins here. We might do AI thumbnails for the win, man. Marmite is disgusting. Yeah, Marmite will put hair where you don't want it, right? You come on here and then all of a sudden you got like pubes growing out of your ears if you're eating Marmite, right? Oh man, too funny. You guys got me going today. I take a day off and you guys just, I take the glasses off. Take the glasses off and just start talking mad shit in the morning. No trades, just shit. That's it. No trades, just shit. That should be the slogan here. Finding purpose through trading in crypto. I am thinking about. So I'm gonna ramp up the content when I move. I'm gonna upgrade. I'm gonna upgrade the whole setup a little bit, not much. I'm gonna upgrade the setup. I'm gonna do some more content for you guys. So you guys need to tell me what you want. In the next, we want more ... tutorials, mindset, shorts, lives. You guys can tell me. I'm going to take the content from here to fucking here. All right? I'm going to be the ape hanger, currently we're riding like a little moped. Me, and we do the live streams. I'm going to be ape hanging that shit next. I'm going to be like Harley Davidson, No, we won't. Touch grass tutorials. Oh man, I got the nicest grass to touch, man. I got mountain view. That's for me and my family, though. Marmite bad, Tim Tams good. Tim Tams are, I would say mid. Stop to entry, A to ace. Zek long, let's go. Half day on futures tomorrow, Piper. Half day on futures though. Last stock market trade of the week today, yeah. Half day on futures tomorrow. Isn't that Juneteenth thing? Juneteenth tomorrow? I don't even know. I'd have to Google that. Golf tutorials. I ain't the one to teach you how to golf. I shoot low 80s. What's going on, tap ass? Good to see you, man. You know what I'm going to ask you if you tapped any ass, Bank holiday. Good to see you, Wick, Bearded Mac. God bless you guys. I think I do like some exchange tutorials. I'll show you guys how to take a Wick test. Maybe some stuff that I can't give you everything because the Discord gets everything, okay? It's Discord first. Discord lives matter. Okay. Okay, Solana cooling down here. First sign of weakness. How's SpaceX doing yesterday? Did SpaceX... Oh. Look, we got Adam and Steve's everywhere, man. Adam and Steve. There's your measured move. Look at that. That played out nice. There's your Adam and Steve. We got another Adam and Steve down here. If you don't know what an Adam and Steve is, it is a triangle followed by a half circle. Okay, there's your Adam and Steve. Adam and Steve. Okay, guess what? Pre-market. We're down here. Adam and Steve's all the way down. Watch out, man. It'll get you. It'll get you. All you SpaceX buyers. What did Grandma say about welcome to SpaceX? She said, Larry, don't buy SpaceX. It doesn't look good. You're going to pump everybody, so get out at 200. Okay? And then tell them to sell. Okay, thanks, Larry. Love you, Larry. Talk soon. Bye. See, there you go. Grandma knew when to sell. Larry Fink here. He had his line ready to go, man. That's it. Okay, we're climbing up here, up only right now. No trade setup. Still waiting here. Let's pull fibs. We'll do top-down analysis shortly. Patience right now. This is just a slow grind up here. Slow grind up here. We don't have any data coming out for the rest of the week. We're actually pretty fortunate that way. We could go to like medium impact here, and we can see, you know, nothing here. Just Bank of England stuff. Okay, and then Friday Canada shit. You just say negative retail sales or something for Canada. Okay, Canada is just in the glory hole right now. And then next week we have PCE and GDP, the Italian GDP here, GDP. All right, Thursday next week should be a fun one. All right, personal income, personal spending, but pretty clean setup going into next week. So hopefully not getting too rugged. They're still digesting this new Fed chair, but we shall see. We shall see. Good morning, Guy Kemp. Good to see you, bro. How you been? Curbstar, good morning. God bless. 585. Grandma definitely took profits. Yeah, she did. We decided Alex looks like Javier Bardem of Cape Fear fame. I have no idea who that is, but I'll rock it. Whatever you need me to do. You got to open on in the background, waiting. Play suspended at. Okay. I shoot low 80s too. Any hotter than that, and I stay home. That's it. That's it, man. I pulled my back though last week, and it's still healing. And of course, I'm moving this week, so it doesn't feel any better. TA on near the Celine Dion coin. Near, far. Wherever you are. Yeah, it looks like shit, man. Coming back down. Trying to hold this trend line. Buy. Near is bullish. I mean, retest to previous highs is good on you. Yeah, look for a break here. Look for this. Breakout retest. I'll even put an alarm with you, so when it does it, I can long it too. Trying to find bottoming, right? Trying to find bottom needs a break of structure retest and then up. That's what I would look for. Just trying to find a low right now, but it's still in the downtrend, so I wouldn't touch it. Someone else asked for what's that shitcoin rave? See, I used to do this a lot, guys. I used to do a lot of top-down analysis on your shitcoins, and like, really, there's a time and a place. There is a time and a place, and typically that place is never. Is this rave? Yeah, garbage, man. Garbage. There's definitely a time and a place. So what I've learned over the years, okay, and this is, I guess, experience. Unfortunately, I'm getting old in the crypto game, which is not old. I started trading right here, guys. I'm not that old. I'm very young, actually. But what I've experienced is when you get macro reversals, when you get this here, right? If you get this here, right? So here's your macro reversal. Here's your macro reversal. Here's your macro reversal. Okay? Here's your macro reversal. Okay? When you get these spots, okay? Like this on Bitcoin, this is when you trade altcoins, okay? We longed Ondo in here, okay? We go to Ondo. We look at Ondo. We longed Injective in here, right? Okay. What happened when we got a macro reversal? You can see, oh, Ondo looks like shit right now. We longed Ondo in the Discord right here because Bitcoin was moving. Okay? 100% move, right? Bitcoin was moving. Bitcoin was bottoming. Okay? So from my experience, we did it the same with Injective right here. Okay, boom, up we went. Okay, so in my experience, until daddy gives you the keys to the Corvette, you don't jump in it and start driving it. Okay? Because it's not ready to drive. Maybe he's still, fixing the brakes, and then you take it out and you're doing a burnout in front of your friends, and then the brakes stop working and you hit the wall. That's what it's like trading shit coins, okay? From my experience. So, wait. Unfortunately, you got to wait. There's going to be movers that are going to be like, oh my God, look, Aerodrome is going to the moon yesterday, right? Right? If you bought Aerodrome when it was going to the moon, okay, up here, you're in the red. Okay, now it's bouncing. Nice. I had a bounce level here, but I didn't take the trade. But if you're late, right? You want to buy Aerodrome down here. Right? It's that kind of deal. There's going to be runners near trying to run, right? Algorand trying to run right now. Maybe you get lucky. Top blast that shit. Up to you. But for me, I'd rather see Bitcoin put in structure and a bottoming structure in order to take that trade, because there's a little bit more confidence with that trade, right? That's just my experience. I don't know if it's going to benefit you, but a lot of people just want me to trade shit coins all the time, and I refuse because it's just not lucrative. However, we are swing short hedged right now, which is pretty nice, and we also swing short longs from down here in the Discord. So we've been getting paid swing short and scalping all the way through. Happy days. We got swing long here. Guess what? We got reversal structure in here. Okay, we got swing long here. We took that all the way. That has been closed. Now we are swing short from up here. We'll see where it goes. If it comes up to here, I'm out. But I've taken 50% out. That was announced in the Discord. So a prepared trader is a profitable trader. Doesn't mean you can't swing this shit. But in my opinion right now, we're ready to scalp. This is the bread and butter of the channel. So we stay here. This is our comfort zone. Holding VWAP, trying to push up here. Still no trade. Solana climbing as well into VWAP here, into resistance as well. Okay. I would like to see Solana sweep this high and dump. I would like to see Bitcoin come up into here in reverse. We'll see. So far, so good. Thank you, everybody, for being here. $3,000 giveaway today, guys. $3,000. Jeez. 300 people here on the live stream. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel. Subscribe if you're new, all that good stuff. Like. Hit the like button. Come on, there 80 likes here. 300 people. That's effing rookie numbers, man. I am Canadian. They are censoring me. Please help. That's my shill, okay? Okay. However, right now we wait. Patience. If you want $3,000 giveaway, today we're pulling $3,000 out of the vault for you guys. You just sign up with the Bitunix link, support the channel that way. Okay, and you'll be entered into the draw. $3,000 today, $2,000 tomorrow. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. Subscribe if you're new. We're here every day, and I'm very grateful for you guys being here. And the only thing you actually have to do is say good morning. Like, don't be a weirdo. Just say good morning. You don't have to like. You don't have to subscribe. You can actually dislike. I don't give a shit. Just say good morning. Don't be that fucking weirdo in there. You're sitting on your wanking chariot watching a screen that's watching me, that I'm watching a screen that's watching you. This is like a full-on internet circle jerk. So just don't be weird. Say good morning. That's it. Be part of the internet circle jerk. Up only. No trade. NASDAQ still climbing. Trying to take these highs now. That's my rant of the day. That felt good. Does anybody get superstitious about trading? Like, I find like I have one pair of sweatpants that I don't wear when I trade because I feel like they're unlucky. Does anybody have that too? There's like these one pair of Under Armour sweats, burgundy ones that I own. I do not. When I'm going to get dressed in the morning, I never put them on for a stream. Never. It's only after I'm done trading. Does anybody have stuff like that? I don't know. Maybe it's because I'm a baseball player. Hello, world. What's going on, Greenwood? Good to see you, bro. I used to play Greenwood baseball. Jesse Hullock. Good morning. Mini Rant. Rick, how you doing, man? Wifey, let's have fun. Oof. They're hitting on Wick's wife already. Let's jerk together. What's going on, Ux? Can you put the lucky draw in the chat? We're gonna stream it. We'll stream it live at the end of the stream. Coffee trade is not superstition, it's universal. It is true, Sulio. Do you look at liquidation heat maps for confluence and bias? Not really. Every now and then I'll glance at it, Sue, but not really. I mean, for the way I trade, I understand that where's liquidity? Liquidity is here and liquidity is here, right? That's it. How am I going to get there, right? I understand liquidity is here as well, right? And then there's long liquidity probably down here. I would say most liquidity is in here, right? So how do we get there? And that's my job to navigate, right? No, that's gay. Shun says, always got your dancing shoes on. You put on your lucky undies. Oh man, that's not, there's too many routes to go down that road. That yeah, that's that road. That yeah. I'm more profitable while I'm working than while I'm at home. Probably because you don't look at your phone all day. I have trading sweatpants and slippers. French Toaster's got the full uniform, man. If you decide they could be your luckiest pair of pants. No, it doesn't matter. Consistently loser. Well, we'll work on that. Why crypto? Christopher, good morning. Good to see you. I'm in my wanking chariot. I know I'm weird. Just don't be a douche canoe. That's the rules, right? Be kind, don't be a douchebag. What's going on, Australia? Been checking you out there, diggers. How you doing? Good morning. Fair dinkum, mate. Florida Stowe, good morning. Good to see you. Wick's wife, Rick. How you doing? I think it's maybe because I'm a baseball player. Baseball players are very superstitious. Good morning, son of the king. God bless you. Mariana. $63 Earths can fit inside Uranus. 64 if you relaxed. Let's go. Love statistics. Gang. Good to see you, Mikal. How you doing, man? Hi, good morning. What's your game plan post FOMC? So it's letting it bake. You can see the NASDAQ is happy, man. The NASDAQ doesn't care. Tech continues to rip, right? We can see that from the FOMC rug. Coming back, filling that big gap that we had from the previous week down in here. Inverted head and shoulders trying to push out and keep going here. So this is bullish. We can see that Bitcoin is bullish. I want to take the Solana SFP. I did not. Okay, I'm late to the party. We're coming into resistance right now for Bitcoin. It's been up only into market open. So for me, this is just creating liquidity to come and take and potentially continue upwards. Looking at market cipher in general right now, what we can see is that, we have bottoming structure forming. So the 4 hour is putting in an anchor wave when we look at this, posturing to the upside, trying to curve up here on money flow. So we're just looking for the anchor trigger wave. So this would be higher high, higher low. Still a retracement into Friday. Okay, the 3 and the 2 here trying to push back as well. We got bullish divergence throughout. Okay, anchor trigger wave here on the 1 hour trying to push out. Bull divs throughout here. We can see that by us coming all the way down like this, and that beautiful uptrend coming in like that. So looking for this to, maybe form an inverted head and shoulders and push up into this high right now. However, I'm very cautious because we could sweep and then go. I would prefer a sweep and go, grabbing that liquidity and coming back for some of this in here. We have taken this low. We have fully recovered that Donald Trump tweet pump, okay? And it has permission to go up now. However, how we get there is very important. So I'd like to see liquidity taken. Right now we're pushing pretty aggressively. When we look at stuff like our daily and our long-term time frames, it's still negative. However, it is starting to reset, okay? The 12-hour as well. A little bit of positive posturing here. And the 8-hour money flow is still making higher lows on the way out here and a nice curvature on the way up here. I would just like to see this thing start posturing upwards, and we have VWAP on our side here. So looking decent on market cipher. Let's see if it has some legs. That's all, right? Because money flow is still red. Okay, so we need to see higher highs, higher lows, anchor trigger wave, and momentum pushing up. Everything else is pointing down. So if this, then that, right? We are hedged short, so that's fine. I'm gonna swing short in the Discord. So we're still making money on the way down. And for now, we're looking for some sort of strength to come in. We're taking the liquidity at the highs here, a little bit overextended for NASDAQ. We could easily come back and sweep these lows in here, okay, into this imbalance. All right, this is pretty aggressive over London session here. So, you know, we'll see if this, then that, right? If we start to break down here, that could be very ugly. So I'm watching that as well. SpaceX is down. Oil is still dying, which is really good. SpaceX is down for open pre-market, but AI and tech is up. Okay, so like Marvel's up 5%, right? Beautiful, right? Marvel's up 5, yeah. So we have pre-market pumps for AI, SpaceX down, so that could affect the market. We have the Fed chair who came in neutral, but very not forecasting. So we'll see how we go. It is 8:53. Coffee longs in play. And I'll be right back. I'm going to go and kiss my beautiful wife and hug my son. Gang, gang, baby. What song do we want to play? Top Blast? Are you guys all top blasting right now? Gotta go VWAP slap, no? I'll be back.
Let's go. Lord Arthur King Bieber in the building. Making crypto honest again. Hey, hey, hey. Give it the VWAP slap. Slap it. Hit the pink box. Make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP slap. Slap it. Trade the buns. Don't get chopped at the top. Oh, base hits. Base hits. Take the money and run. Base hits. Now the friction's gone. Wait for the SFP. Sweep the lows and go golden pocket bounce. Let the money flow. Hit the outer block. Avoid the dark mall wick. Stop loss to entry. Don't be a dick for a tick. Archetype for printing. The outer gang is winning. Give it the VWAP slap. Slap it. Hit the pink dots. Make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP slap. Slap it. Trade the bonds. Don't get chopped at the top. Oh, base hits. Base hits. Take the money and run. Base hits. Now the friction's gone. Don't be a namby-pamby. Bullshit. Get out of your wanking chariot. Let's go. Don't be a douche canoe. Manage your risk. Drop at the top. Stop at the top. Wait for the flip. Push it. Slap it. One pick. Give it the VWAP slap. Slap it. Pump it. Hit the pink box. Make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP slap. Slap it. Trade the bonds. Don't get chopped at the top. Oh, base hits. Base hits. Take the money and run. Base hits. Now the friction's gone. Taking the crypto honest again. Hey, hey, hey. Give it the VWAP stop. Stop it. Hit the pink box. Make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP stop. Stop it. Trade the buns. Don't get chopped at the top. Oh, base hits. Take the money and run. Base hits. Now the friction's gone. Wait for the SFP. Sweep the lows and go golden pocket bounce. Let the money flow. Hit the outer block, avoid the dark mall wick. Stop loss to entry, don't be a dick for a tick. Archetype for printing. The outer gang is winning. Give it the VWAP stop. Stop it, hit the pink box, make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP stop. Stop it, trade the bonds, don't get chopped at the top. Oh, base hits, take the money and run. Base hits, now the friction's gone. Don't be a namby-pamby, push it, get out of your wanking chariot. Let's go. Don't be a douche canoe, manage your risk. Drop at the top, stop at the top. Wait for the flip, push it, slap it, pump it. Give it the VWAP, slap it, pump it. Hit the pink box, make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP, slap it. Trade the buns, don't get chopped at the top. Oh, base hits, take the money and run. Base hits, now the friction's gone. Taking the trace, showing the trace. Stay true to the digital. Auto gang, gang, gang. Bye. Auto gang, gang, gang. Let's go. Lord Auto King Bieber in the building. Making crypto honest again. Hey, hey, hey. Give it the VWAP stop. Stop it. Hit the pink box. Make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP stop. Stop it. Trade the buns. Don't get chopped at the top. Oh, base hits. Take the money and run. Base hits. Now the friction's gone. Wait for the SFP. Sweep the lows and go golden pocket bounce. Let the money flow. Hit the outer block, avoid the dark mall wick. Stop loss to entry, don't be a dick for a tick. Archetype for printing. The outer gang is winning. Give it the VWAP stop. Stop it, hit the pink box, make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP stop. Stop it, trade the bonds, don't get chopped at the top. Oh,
Whoa.
base hits, base.
Take the money and run. Discord members, make sure you go check out Kyle's section there. He's taking this coffee thing way too seriously right now. But go and check that out, Discord members. That's too funny, man. That's too funny. I think he's taking this thing way too seriously. Oops. Spilled some coffee. Good morning, Dusty. How you doing, bro? Good to see you. He wants 60,000. Still no trades here. Trading is waiting, baby. Trading is waiting. Oh, man. At the end of the day, all we're trying to do is protect the new traders. I would not be longing into Golden Pocket right now. Just saying. I'd be shorting here. But no trades right now. Still waiting. Getting my feet wet. Took yesterday off. I had to move into my new house. We had the plumbers come through. Now, for all the plumbers out there, what are the 3 rules of plumbing, guys? The 3 rules are 1, shit flows down. Okay, gravity is your friend. 2, paydays on Thursday or Friday. Sometimes depends on your work habits. All right, and number 3, the most important vital rule of being a plumber is don't bite your nails. These are the things you learn as a carpenter when you work with the trades. Yeah. Ugh. Nasty. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live stream. Oh, don't be a dick for a tick. Don't be a dick for a tick, yeah. Don't do plumbing. I mean, plumbers making good money right now. I'm not streaming from the new house. No, the last thing I'm moving is the battle station, guys. I am not comfortable yet. I got the internet hooked up yesterday. Okay, I got the direct Ethernet cable line into the office. But I'm still nervous as ever, man. Moving the whole system, moving the big ass computer. But I'll be here Monday in the new setup Monday. So if everything's gonna go wrong, it's gonna be Monday. So make sure you show up for that. If you guys are wondering what kind of computer I have, everybody always goes, "What kind of computer do you have, man? What is your computer?" Here's the computer I have. Okay, I'm trying to hack Google. Okay, that's my computer right there. Okay, happy days. When are you gonna meet me in the studio to make those songs you want? Dave Digital, we're gonna have a lot of work ahead of us. Okay, there's a lot of work ahead of us for the channel. But when I get into the new house, we're gonna ramp it up. We're gonna ramp up everything. We're gonna ramp up the amount of streams. We're gonna ramp up the amount of content. We're gonna ramp up the amount of alpha, the omega, the eggs. Okay, we're gonna ramp it all up at the wazoo. We gotta build in the bear. Okay, we are going to go full Giga Chad on the YouTube, on the Twitter, on the whatever. And hopefully we can 10x everybody in the Discord's portfolio before the bear market or the bull market starts. That's the whole goal. Got to build in the bear, baby. So I have a lot of plans. And if you've been here for a while, everybody who knows me over the past 4 years, the number one thing that I do is I show up. Okay? I show up and I do what I say I'm going to do. I've been late twice for this show. And I slurp. Give you that ASMR. We're not doing an ASMR channel, though. I saw AP cheating on me with chart hackers yesterday. That's okay, man. If you want to go and trade degenerate coins with chart hackers, that's fine. You can help yourself. I mean, tell me how your P&L looks. I love those guys over there, but I could not touch any of the tokens that they're trading, man. That's just honesty, man. I love those guys. They're all good people, but fuck, do they trade some shit coins. That's all I got to say. That's my 2 cents. Gen C, good to see you. Giga Spoon. I'm going to have the Giga Spoon out, yeah. Ramping so much, I'll be the evil Knievel of crypto. That's it, man. I'm sorry to hear that, Dusty. The plumbing. You're still kicking ass, man. I communicate 100% by text. Record everything. Yeah, that's it, right? Good morning, Chad. Good to see you, man. French Toaster, I love you. How you doing, bro? How you doing, Toaster? There was no Alex O. I had to find entertainment elsewhere. See? Army Piper is loyal to the coil. That's why he's Army Piper. Okay, continuation up here, guys. Everybody in the Discord is gig along. I don't know about you guys. Kyle's taking this coffee trade way too seriously. Oh man. Ooh, that's a big ass stop loss though, Kyle. That's all I gotta say. That's all. Oh man. Golden Pocket 786 rejection area here coming into 907. Thank you everybody for being here. $3,000 giveaway today. There's your near, far, wherever you are. Breakout, continuation trade there. Okay. Looking for pullbacks on near. Okay. We'll see if it gets there. I do not want to be annoyed by this trend line the whole stream, so I'm going to delete it. I will look for a retest of these highs. That's where I'll look. If we come back to here, maybe. Chop at the top into VWAP, into significant resistance as well, guys. Red line. So for me, it's no trade. Solana trying to flip support here. Chop at the WAP, no trade. Chop at the top, especially this move up into market open, cause for concern. I think we come for this low here, and then we could potentially look for continuation into these highs here. So no trade right now, still waiting. We'll see how price action materializes throughout this market open. Thank you everybody for being here and supporting the channel. If you do want to participate in the giveaway, $3,000 today, I will be doing the $3,000 giveaway. Sign up with the Bitunix link pinned in the comments, okay? You sign up with the link, you get raffle tickets. I pull the names out of the hat, and you get money. It's pretty simple. Inverted head and shoulders here on Bitcoin trying to push. Can it continue? For all those who are long off of Kyle's beautiful trade in the Discordian, we'll see. Looking for follow through here. A little bit overextended, but hey ho, we'll see. NASDAQ looking strong as well. Big old inverted head and shoulders here for the NASDAQ. Big sweep yesterday, FOMC. And then a beautiful rally onwards and upwards, taking liquidity out of the highs here. Doesn't need to come for this guy over here. We'll see. I'm very concerned if we take this guy. Let me just make it green. So if we sweep this guy and then dump, we're in trouble. Because then we're coming probably here. So if we come up, sweep, and then bah! All right. We look for lower. We definitely look for lower. Bitcoin overextended to the upside. This uptrend is very, very aggressive, but we do have a market structure change in here, breaking the high. So we can be looking for higher lows, continuation up. We never took this low. Concerning. Bullish divergence, no break in here, no break here, right? So we never took this low. Expectational order flow is still down, right? Because you got high, low, lower high. That's what this is, expectational order flow. If you don't know this, you need to practice your market structure. Okay, we are zoomed in on the micro penis time frame. This is the 3-minute time frame, guys. All right. You should be doing 15-minute time frame structure, right? You need to get above this high in general. You can consider this an internal break, though. So it's up to you guys how you want to define it. But imbalance up here, looking to come into this order block here at 65,400 would be the target of the long if we are going to push. Okay. However, I would prefer a sweep. We did have a buy level down here last night, and it is working, but I would prefer this, or at least this, if we can get going here. We'll see. Right now, it's just up only, no trade. I'm not top blasting this morning. It's definitely something I'm not going to participate in. And if you're wondering about market structure, you get market structure updates here from Kyle every day. 6 hour, 4 hour, 15-minute. I always look at the 15, right? So there's your 15-minute, right? Down we go. Where we stop, nobody knows, right? So if you don't know market structure, you get to learn that too in the Discord. Oof, right? Oof. All the internal, external, change of characters, all that stuff, right? All the goodies. This is ripping. This is ripping. Up only. Giga chatting. No trade right now. Showing the trades, taking the trades, making crypto honest again. Right now, we are just chilling. Accounts at 40K. We'll see how today goes. Didn't trade yesterday. Took some profits on the swing short. And now we're just waiting. Scalping Bitcoin every single day. $800,000 trades. Good fun, man. Taking the trades, showing the trades. Kicking ass. Whooping names, you know? That one. So good fun. Mr. King of Crypto, my man. God bless you, bro. $100 super chat. Let's go, baby. Let's go. How you doing, bro? Hopefully everything is doing well. God bless you. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel. Let's see some Crypto King emojis in the chat. God bless you, bro. Hopefully the business is doing really well. And thank you for supporting the channel. We're almost into the house. We will be buying my son that hockey net. I'll have proof of hockey net for you. You did buy my son a beautiful gift, man. Thank you for supporting my family and supporting the channel. I do appreciate you, man. And God bless you. Thanks for giving so much, man. It means a lot to me. Thank you. God bless you. Awesome. Crypto King coming through. Coming through, man. How you doing, man? I appreciate the support. Big shout out to you. Raspy Alex today, yeah. I was working all day yesterday. I can clear my throat if you'd like. I'll mute myself. All better now. We'll see. I appreciate it. Crypto King coming through, man. All right. Up only right now, guys. This is it's not for me. I don't know about for you guys. I wish I took the SFP long. I told JR to take it. JR, did you take the SFP long on Solana? I gave that on your live stream. He streams before me. I missed it. I was too busy getting set up and ready. SpaceX rotation down. NASDAQ continuing to climb. Solana retest of VWAP flip. I don't like it. Overextended to the upside, rotation down. Yeah, this is looking for pullbacks. Looking for pullbacks into 64,150. See if we come back and retest VWAP here. Retest the previous highs. So we are looking for longs potentially in here. Liquidity in the lows over here. Golden pocket rejection. Key level of resistance. NASDAQ showing strength though. Continuing to climb this morning. SPY, we're expecting the gap up this morning. We'll see where we get to because the ES is overextended. So we'll see where we gap for the SPY. SpaceX down, but all other things like AI and stuff, it's all up pre-market. So should be interesting there. We've done a couple of top-down analysis. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 350 people here on the live stream. Do you guys mind just tickling that like button? That would really help the channel. I appreciate you guys. And thank you for supporting the channel. Crypto King and all the other people. If we pay extra, will you not mute next time? I did mute. I mute. That was muted. Too fun. I should be one of those guys who likes his own video. Does anybody, any other streamers? I should go on YouTube. He wants to hear me blow my nose. Ugh. I don't think anyone else does. Only blows? Only blows? Only throats? Only throats. Don't get me started, man. Only throats. Oh, and all your minds are in the gutter. That's why you're here. Only throats. Oh, man. I don't know how there's any lady listeners in this place, man. This is raunchy. Only knows, yeah. Only knows hoes. Only hoes knows. Crypto fans. I mean, yeah, they're in crypto, so I mean, they're pretty degenerate already, so it's okay. Still no trade here. Golden pocket, 786. Liquidity of the high here. If we sweep this high, we could be rotating down. A little bit of a bid all the way up this morning. Still no trade. Nice bull div down here. SFP continuation up. I liked it on Solana. I didn't take it, though. I was still getting ready for my stream. We go straight into the Discord after this. Live scalping, which should be fun. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you for being here. We're live every morning, taking the trades, showing the trades. Ooh, bearish divergence up at the highs here into resistance for Bitcoin. Slowly climbing up, coming into market open. Spoons. Still waiting here. No trade. No data coming out anymore. So FOMC came in. Mr. Warsh or whatever his name is. Everybody a little bit scared. Watch out for the flashbang right here, guys. So rate cuts. Not really on the table. Okay, so we're not really looking at rate cuts. We're at 50% chance of a rate hike. Hike, guys. We could be going up 50-50. Not too good. I'm very curious to see how this materializes in the next like 3-4 weeks, right? Because this is going to be in July, September, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 more FOMCs, right, for the year. 30% chance, but mostly staying flat here. Okay, so but we go into like October, December, nothing really, but September 50% chance of rate hike, which is not good. Okay, they're trying to cool inflation, but we'll see. Obviously, the data always changes to how they want it to look, so very aware of that. And then the rest of this week, we got nothing really until next Thursday, guys. So it's pretty clear trading. Obviously, Mr. Trump and his Tweety Bird tomorrow announcing maybe we're going to the moon. The MOU, Memorandum of Understanding, has been signed, potentially. So that could be a very bullish catalyst if that gets signed. Doesn't mean he doesn't gonna drop bombs straight on their head. He said that. His words, not mine. Right? His words, not mine. I'm gonna drop bombs straight on their head. Right? So, still very uncertain. Very uncertain. Should we take the entry in Bitcoin? Discord's long from down here somewhere. I'm not long. Sell used tissues. Matt Damon's gonna pump the market. Is that chick playing Achilles in Odyssey? Is she playing Achilles? That man chick? Because I'm not gonna watch it if the man chick's. Who's playing Achilles in Odyssey? Achilles is deceased and his living role is long over. He appears only briefly as a ghost in the underworld in the Odyssey. Okay. Elliot Page, isn't it? Elliot Page. Didn't she become a man or something like that? I don't know. I still want to go watch it. Unfortunately, my inner man child is just like, are you not entertained? This is Christopher Nolan. Right? Golden pocket rejection right now coming down. We got 7 minutes till market opens, guys. I should be one of these streamers, and we should just talk like this. Continuation up here. NASDAQ looking very strong. Sweep of this. If we sweep this and dump, though, we're in trouble, guys. Which is probably going to happen. We're looking at this. Into market open. That would be nasty. Nasty. Solana loses VWAP here and rotates down. Nasty. We're coming down here. See, we never took this low. This is the issue with liquidity. Okay, when you get bullish divergence in here, you get higher low here, but you don't take liquidity. Right? This would be your golden pocket 786 retracement. What is the problem here, you may ask, is that we never changed structure. We never took these highs up here. Right? If this high was up here, and now it retraced and we had a higher low here, higher high, higher low, different story. I'm giga long. We didn't. This is still downtrending in my opinion. Therefore, these guys right here and this guy right here is very much on the table still. So I wait. Golden pocket rejection, key level resistance, rotation down. NASDAQ looking to sweep this high and dump. What is this high? Oh, it's the high of the range, right? Ultimate premium level. Looking for a gap up here. ES continuing to climb, so gap up on SPY. Expectation is gap up on SPY. Okay. We'll see how that works out for us. Bitcoin rolling over. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. And put a 3 in the chat if you're like me and you're sitting on your hands or you're skiing. Because I am definitely skiing, guys. Magic Mike, what's going on? You should narrate like Samuel Jackson. I'd just say motherfucker like every other world. And then Royale with cheese. That's all I got if I was doing Sam Jackson. Snakes on a motherfucking plane, right? Nolan always delivers. That's the problem. That's the problem. Here we go. 5 minutes. Market open. Trump is so stinky. I like that. New Spider-Man coming out looks good. I mean, my son is obsessed with Spider-Man. But I told him Peter Parker is the real Spider-Man. Okay, I showed him the real one. Gotta make him watch the old Spider-Man. He's allowed to watch 90s cartoons, my son. I think it's 80s Spider-Man. The Amazing Spider-Man. I think it's the 80s. The old one is a bit too old. But there's like the 90s Spider-Man. He watches that one. Got the playlist on lock. Long, long, long. Short, short. Long, long, short. Hitting the slopes. That's it. Long. Hands. SFP mofo. Did you long it? Toby. Yeah, Toby Maguire, man. Seabiscuit. Yeah. Nice pushback here. Solana ripping. Melting faces. Into market open. Caution. NASDAQ ripping. Into market open. Always concerning in my opinion, but we'll see. Let's go. Let's go. Big rollover for ES is melting faces too into market open. Oh man. This says short like all over it. This says short. I'm not taking it because it's market open, but this would be my trade right now. If I was trading, this would be my trade. I'm waiting. Three minutes. Coming back for late shorts. SPY gap up. NASDAQ just melting faces. All right. Well, liquidity has definitely been taken out of NASDAQ. Solana, soy boy Lana, into market open. Into VWAP, though. So it's a little bit sketchy. It's a great sweep, though, on Solana. 1 minute time frame. Bearish divergence, SFP. Yummy. Juicy, juicy. This was the SFP I wanted to take this morning. The long here. This was juicy. Didn't take this one either. I just missed out on the boat this morning. And I'm probably going to miss out on them right into market open. I hate taking a trade into market open. A lot of people like trading into market open or trade market open. Trades by Matt has taught me patience is going to pay me. Shout out to Trades by Matt. He greenlights himself 15 minutes into market open. He doesn't trade. So he starts trading at 9:45 typically. So he does not take a trade until 9:45. That's when you get your open range breakout in. That's when you've had markets digest market open. That's when you have the volatility. I try my best to implement that, especially because I didn't trade yesterday. It's like a Monday for me, right? When I've been chilling over the weekend, you kind of got to get my feet on the ground, right? We're talking about practice, right? We're just talking about practice, right? We gotta be game time ready. This is no joke. This is the only job that will take your money. If I'm gonna put on $800,000 trades, I ain't gonna just willy-nilly do it. You know, I think a lot of people willy-nilly trade and they have willy-nilly P&L cards, right? Your number one job here is to protect your capital. Your long was down here. You don't long this shit in here. That's just how I trade. You can do whatever you want, right? Setups, strategy, patience. That'll make the difference between you doing this and you doing this to the downside. That's how I found it, anyways. And hopefully I can share that with you guys. At the end of the day, our number one job is to protect the new trader. Market is open. Let's go, baby. Gap up. Wow, big gap. All right. Big gap up here for the S&P in the place to be. Look at this thing rip, baby. Let's go. Big gap to the upside here for the SPY. Can we come back and fish it? We'll see. Nice push here for the SPY. Bitcoin, rotation down. Looking for VWAP slap. Potentially VWAP slap into here. Solana. A little bit toppy here, but holding VWAP. Not bad. Still no trade, guys. Showing the trades. Taking the trades. Bitcoin looking to continue to climb here. Very interesting, to say the least. We'll see where we get to. SPY gapping to the upside here. NASDAQ. Sweep of the highs, rotation down. A little bit of tweezer tops up top here. Going to the 1 minute on the NASDAQ. Let's go SPY 1 minute as well. We'll see how this works its way through the market this morning. SpaceX dumping. Okay, caution, guys. Micron pumping, SpaceX dumping. All right. Looking for rotation into here. We could be looking for swing low to swing high as well for a golden pocket. Ooh, bounce level in here, bounce level there. There's quite a bit of bounce levels here. So we want confirmation when we have stuff like this. When we have so many levels that we could potentially long off of, we just want confirmation in these levels. That's going to be critical. Shout out to everybody here. Thank you for being here. 380 people here on the live stream. 150 likes. $3,000 giveaway at the end of the stream at 10:05 today. We will be doing the big giveaway. Thank you, everybody, for being here and supporting the channel. And hopefully I can help support you on your trading journey. Rotation down. Coming into VWAP here for a slap. NASDAQ rotation down, taking the liquidity. Warning signs. Overextended. SpaceX rotation down as well. Coming right back for Mr. and Mrs. IPO. I'm pissed off. That's what that stands for. Solana, good short. So far, so good. Rotation down. Looking to come down here on Solana. No trade for me into market open. That's all. That's all. That's all. Beautiful short. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. GG's, mofos. Coming down for that VWAP slap now. Order block tap. VWAP slap, order block tap. Still no trade for me. I am not taking the VWAP slap here. I'm still going to wait. I want confirmation this morning. Thank you, everybody, for being here. I think they are selling more ETFs today. Today's going to be boring, says Yarbrook. Yarbrook. 2s, 2s, 1s, 2 1s. Smash that button. Button. That's how nice I can say it. Good to see you guys in here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Good morning, everybody. God bless you guys. Thank you for supporting the channel and hanging out. I do appreciate you guys. Everybody's just saying space sex. The aliens who are watching us are like, these humans are retarded. All they're saying is space and sex all day long for the last 2 weeks. Oh, man. What a short on Solana. Jeez. You identify as pre-rich. NASDAQ, sweeping, dumping. SPY, rotation down. Bitcoin, rotation down. Into sell wall. I missed that one. I told you I would be short here. GG's on the short, everybody. You're welcome. I better go and find my spoon when I move, right? I better find my spoon. I think that's why you guys come here, right? They just spoon feed you all day. I may not take it, but I'll set you up with it. Need a bounce and reclaim VWAP here. NASDAQ, not holding. SPY, rotation down. Bitcoin, rotation down. Solana, bounce off order block here. Trying to hold. Bitcoin. Retest of VWAP, continuation down. Bearish. Still waiting on this candle. Mr. Brumbalo, the coolest bee in all of crypto. What's going on, bro? Good short. Thanks, Abdul. I like 157 is yours. Thanks, simple terms. Pong Davi, good morning. God bless you too, Dame. How you doing, man? Thank you for being here. Lord Otter called it. King Beaver, Lord Otter. Those are my pronouns. Don't wear them out. Oh, look at that. I wish I took that Solana short. Damn. Damn. All right. Down we go. Oh, man. Having the idea, but execution was off. Having the idea, execution was off on that Solana. Bitcoin. Aggressive candle. Down into our golden pocket retracement level. Damn, Daniel. Damn, Daniel. Taking the stairs up and the elevator down. Okay, not bad. Trying to hold here. Soy Boy Lana, sweep of the lows. Eesh. Sweep of the lows. Imbalance filled. Order block down here. Buy level down here. Yeah, dumping. There's that sweep and go, guys. Told you, we sweep and we go. We take liquidity and then we dump because of the imbalance down back. Pretty simple trade. Very simple trade. Now I'm really jealous of you guys who are short on Solana, man. You guys are crushing it. God bless you guys. Beautiful short on Solana. Down we go. Solana, banana, fipa, papana, pana. NASDAQ. Ain't got no legs. SPY, flaccid. The flaccid SPY coming down here looking for bottoming. Doof. Congratulations, guys, man. I'm so jealous of your shorts right now. I'm glad I called it, though. Simple Terms Podcast. Is that a good podcast or what? I'm going to go to your channel. What are we podcasting? Who the hell's that guy? I don't know. It looks like Dave Digital's big-ass teeth. I'm going to subscribe. I'm the 6th subscriber to Simple Terms Podcast. There you go. Solana bounce potential. Bitcoin needs to hold golden pocket. NASDAQ needs to bounce. Considering a long. Considering a long on Solana. Bounce NASDAQ. Bounce Bitcoin. No bounce. Rotation down. It's got to bounce here. Quite a big orb here. Can Solana hold? NASDAQ not holding. SPY still flaccid. Bitcoin got a hold. Bitcoin not holding. Down. NASDAQ not holding. SPY still rolling over. Still no trade. Solana SFP of the low. Looking down here now. Unless we bounce on Bitcoin. Indecision. Got to bounce on Bitcoin. Bitcoin trying to bounce. NASDAQ bouncing. SPY bouncing. Bitcoin trying to bounce. Considering a long again. Bounce Bitcoin. Bitcoin bounce. NASDAQ bouncing. No strength. No strength. Bitcoin still no strength. Weakness. No trade. Beautiful short. Down we go. Continuation down. Take the low. NASDAQ continuation down. Solana dumping. Bitcoin dumping. Great short, guys. Damn, Daniel. This thing is ripping to the downside here. GG's, everybody. GG's in the chat. Let's go. For all you shorts, I will congratulate you guys. GG's. Looking for a sweep of the low here on Soy Boy Lana. Bitcoin coming down into 0. Let's go. SpaceX dumping. SpaceX is dumping, baby. Look at this thing. Big gap down this morning. Where it stops, nobody knows. NASDAQ trying to find the bottom. Solana not taking the lows yet. Bitcoin coming down. Pretty aggressive here. I mean, this was pretty simple short for everyone. Damn, Daniel. Aggressive moves through VWAPs, typically bearish. Down we go. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. 405 people here, 165 likes. Thank you for being here. $3,000 giveaway today. Going to be a big-ass orb. Big ass orb. Orby-1 Kenobi, man. Yeah, Solana just making lower highs all the way down here. That was pretty easy too. Down we go. Where we stop, only Dave Digital knows. Two minutes till orb. NASDAQ pushing back. First sign of strength, potentially. Solana still needs to come for liquidity down below. Trying to push back here for Solana. Bitcoin, a little push back. Still no trade, still waiting. It's an aggressive dump this morning, guys. No legs. Down we go. Dump it, baby. Big setup this morning, pretty obvious with the crawl up all morning and then rolling over, leaving the liquidity down below. Pretty good call. Congratulations on your shorts, everyone. Solana continuation down. Bitcoin continuation down. SPY, same deal. NASDAQ, same deal. Twos in the chat if you're short. Let's go. NASDAQ might bounce. We'll see. Yeah, we'll see. 30,000 what? 30,003 down here, yeah. Potentially, if it takes the lows. We'll see. Bitcoin ain't got no legs, man. This thing is going down straight up. There's no trades here. Spoon feeding on the way down. Should have shorted the spoon, man. Solana rotation down. Sheesh. Big ass orb. I'm going to put a middle line in this orb today, guys. You got a big ass orb. Midline here. I'm going to go trend line. There's our midline. Orb is in. Nice pushback here. NASDAQ getting a little bit of a bid. SPY as well. Still not taking the liquidity out of the lows here for Solana or Bitcoin. Bitcoin dumping. Solana pushing back here. NASDAQ trying to push back. Bitcoin. No legs. Can Bitcoin find a low? Taking the liquidity out of this low here. Potential for a continuation short here. Can Bitcoin find some legs? 1 minute Bitcoin. Resistance. NASDAQ. Trying. SPY trying as well. Bitcoin. Weakness. Lower. Let's give it a whirl on Solana. I'm short Solana. Oh, don't you do that to me. Really? I was up 800. Now I'm going to lose 1,000. It's going to be one of those days again. Ooh, really? Damn you, Bitcoin. Damn you, Solana. Solana doing me dirty. I'm de-risking here. Stopped out. I should have taken the 800 and left. Good stop out. NASDAQ. Ugh. I didn't like that one. I thought we'd get follow through. I was up 800. I should have just taken it off. Nice pushback here. Holding lower orb for Bitcoin. Pushback here on Solana. Good close, though. I'm glad I closed that. Halfway up the candle here. Showing some legs now. Interesting. Wrong side of the trade. Good close on Solana, though. Look at this thing ripping to the upside now. Great close. NASDAQ flying. SPY trying to fly. Bitcoin trying to push. Can Bitcoin get going? NASDAQ's going. SPY trying to go here. SpaceX pump. Bitcoin. Can Bitcoin pump? Bitcoin, can you pump? Let's go. I'm long. Come on, NASDAQ, don't do me like this. Push. V-shape recovery. Come on, baby. Don't be a dick for a tick. Stop to entry. They're going to come for these highs. We'll see if we push up aggressively or not. Will it come back and grab me? $800 loss, $500 win. See if we can follow through here. Down 300 for the day to start. GG's in the chat. At least I'm showing it. A lot of people don't come on here and trade this size and show it. All right, on to the next one. Reset right now. NASDAQ ain't got no legs. Neither does the SPY. What's Biddy doing? Biddy's trying to go here. Got VWAP in the face, though. NASDAQ dumping. Interesting. SpaceX showing weakness. SpaceX showing weakness. NASDAQ dumping. No trade. Good close. Bitcoin trying to hold here. Sweeping the lows. Not coming for this low, though. Interesting. Solana sweep and go. Don't like this candle here. Bitcoin showing some weakness up here at middle orb. We go into the Discord live trading after this as well, guys. This is going to be a fun day, isn't it? Choppity, chop, chop, choppity. Rotation down. NASDAQ showing weakness here. No strength. Bitcoin showing weakness as well. No strength. Failing to push above middle orb. Middle earth. We got a little wick test here. It's 4 candles though, not 3. NASDAQ dumping, SPY's dumping. Weakness all around. No strength here, guys. No bid, no strength, no trade. Still waiting. Continuation down. Very aggressive candle coming in for Solana. Very aggressive candle coming in for Bitcoin. Still no liquidity taken out of the lows. NASDAQ rolling over, SPY rolling over. Still no trade. Still waiting here. Bitcoin ain't got no legs. NASDAQ ain't got no legs. Can Bitcoin push here? Maybe long here. If Nasdaq can catch a bid here, maybe long. Only schlongs? No bid. Nasdaq weakness. No bid, no bid. No trade. Down. SPY down. Bitcoin still no legs. Coming into 10 o'clock, we're going to do the giveaway soon. Solana looking for SFP. Bitcoin looking to hold orb. Nasdaq trying to bounce here. SPY trying to bounce. Yep. Considering a long. Higher low. Continuation up. Let's go. There's no follow through today, guys. What is going on with this? Push you, Nambe Pambe. I'm long. Push. Jesus. Of course it's going to hunt me there. Don't be gay. Do I have to go down here? Push. No legs, man. What is going on with the price action today? Sweep of the low. Continuation trade. No legs. Damn, I'm going to need the giveaway today. I should just take it, shouldn't I? Let's go, Solana. All right, let's do the giveaway. Oh, man. Pro level gambling. Pro level, look at my P&L and look at yours. Have a nice day, bro. Ciao. Arrivederci. Queef. Anyways, we got a queef in the chat. Oh, man. NASDAQ looks good. Bitcoin looks weak. I'm going to take this off here, most of it. Push. No. Very choppy today, guys. Come on, really? So gay. So gay. So gay. Oh, man. NASDAQ's ripping. Bitcoin, sweep of the lows, bounce. Failing to push, man. That's all it is. So choppy, man. I don't get that. That's so choppy. No follow through. I'm looking for a sweep of the lows right now on Biddy. No trades. Let's do the giveaway, everybody. Lucky draw, baby. Let's go. All right. Hopefully everybody's having a beautiful day. So we got $1,500 and $1,500. $3,000 today. If you're not signed up, sign up using the link today, tomorrow, whenever. You'll get raffle tickets for deposits, supporting the channel, all that good stuff. I do appreciate you guys being here. Let's go to the lottery. Boom, 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 boom. drawing.
AlexO.
Let's go, baby.
Attack gang gang. We wop slap rotation now, 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 now. Rip the band-aid off into the ground. Take the liquidity, sweep the low. Where does it stop? Nobody knows. Put a 2 in the chat.
KNO GG's, bro. Another one, $500.
Down to the floor.
Let's go, baby. GG's in the chat for all the winners.
If you are sure, dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Watching for, send it to 0.
TON, Mr. Yahoo. Congratulations, man. $500.
2 in the chat if you are sure.
Man, we just
See you
handing
later,
out free money
Bitcoin.
today.
Bye-bye soul. Elevator down. Losing control. Trapping the post, drop at the top. Get out the way of the big old drop. Put a 2 in the chat if you are sure.
CHA@AOL.com. Congratulations, man. Congratulations. Round 2. Man, we're doing $3,000 today.
You are sure. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Watch it pause. Send it to 0. Send it to 0. Put a 2 in the chat if you are sure. Pay yourself on the way down.
BRU. Congratulations, Brew.
Stay true to the digital. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Down to the floor.
QUO. Congratulations.
Send it to 0.
And one more, man. GG's in the chat for these guys. Congratulations on your winnings, all of these people. And thank you for supporting the channel and hanging out here, guys. Wild day today, Chop City. Can it hold or will it dump? MIW, congratulations. That's $3,000 of giveaways today, guys. Unreal. $3,000. Thank you guys for being here and supporting the channel. All that good stuff. I do appreciate you guys being here. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And thank you. Can Bitcoin bounce? Or is it going to continue down? Looks like continuation down for now. I'm out, man. Let's go into the Discord and trade. Happy Thursday. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an utter gang with an auto flame, with a lot of hate. Get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Help another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the